Hello guys, welcome to my vlog, and we start cement that area because the waters come inside. And then I think this morning is raining, but so that James didn't remove the so that James didn't put a row first, but it's already hot, so that's good. Maybe tomorrow we change the roof. It's looking good now because the water is come inside. And we rendered here inside, so, and outside that one we rendered, so. I need yogurt because my stomach. It's James left. He drink a lot of yogurt. Yeah, James always drinking this one for safety for his kidney. We drink this one, a cranberry juice. Salvador roommate, and this Virginia ham. This is James breakfast ham sandwich. It's full down. Dirt. Yeah, maybe tomorrow we change our roof upstairs, and we cement this front, so half cement and the back, so because the water come in. Snow White. You want drink this, Han?
Yeah.
Here.
Thank
Oh my, it's very dirty, your hands.
It's frozen or something.
Look at my flowers. Nice. And this is rose. Yeah, my nails is very dirty because we mix cement this morning. It's really hurt. And we get some gravel and sand bring here. It's very nice because when the water's down here, ching, just go inside so that the cement is like that. Shh. It's like that, so the waters come down here. Because before we cement this one, the waters is splash inside. And every time raining, it's leaking inside, showering inside the room of the kids. So that we change that one, or maybe James, he said it's covered only, they don't remove that one, so covered on new roof. I don't know, because he like that. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe. James snack time.